Hello everyone. Welcome to Afro News South Africa. To support this channel, please kindly subscribe and share. Turn on the notification bell so you won't be left out in any video. State Prosecutor George Baloyi told Momella that Tefo had sent correspondence to the state, saying that he would not continue with the interlocutory application to challenge the trial being moved from the Johannesburg High Court, the jurisdiction under which Vosloorus, where Meyiwa was killed. Meyiwa was killed in October 2014 at the family home of his then-girlfriend, singer Kelly Khumalo, in what the state alleges to have been a botched house robbery. On 14 June, Momella ordered Tefo to file his heads of argument by 23 June to Baloyi and advocates Senzo Meyiwa, the legal representative of the fifth accused, Physical Ntuli, and that they should respond to Tefo by 30 June. The other three accused are Musikakalelwa Sibiya, Bongani Ntanzi and Nkosazana Mafisa. All five face charges of premeditated murder, attempted murder, armed robbery, illegal possession of a firearm, and the illegal possession of ammunition, to which they have pleaded not guilty. Baloyi said that on 30 June, Tefo addressed a letter to the state, saying an email he had sent to Baloyi 10 days earlier regarding legal representations Tefo wanted to raise, was directed at the investigating officer and the police commissioner General Fanny Masemola, and that he expected a responses from them. Baloyi added that Tefo sent another letter to the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, asking it to grant him a null prosequi certificate, as to why it refused to charge Longwatwala, Kelly Khumalo, her mother Gladness Khumalo, her sisters Andy Khumalo, Meyiwa's childhood friends Mdokazisi Thwala and Tumelo Madlala, as well as neighbor Maggie Fiery. The NPA had recommended that the seven be prosecuted on murder, and defeating the ends of justice charges for allegedly killing Meyiwa, and masking the footballer's death as a robbery gone wrong. The recommended charges were based on the January 2019 opening of a second case docket into Meyiwa's killing. Mshilolo, responding to Tefo's bid to introduce Ncube's letter alleging abuse in prison, said the court had set down Tuesday to hear Tefo's jurisdiction application, and that no other requests should be entertained. A visibly irritated Mshilolo apologized for not filing responding papers by 30 June, saying that she was unable to adhere to the court's ruling, because Tefo had decided to desert his application. The purpose for today's sitting was to deal with the issue of jurisdiction. None of the directives of this honorable court were complied with, including by the applicant Tefo Mshilolo argued. If the issue of jurisdiction has been abandoned, then there is no reason for this court to sit and listen to any other application. But Tefo pleaded with Momella to hear the alleged plight of Ncube, saying the third accused's life was in danger, and the court should intervene on his behalf. The court has jurisdiction to entertain his complaint. We don't agree with deferring this matter to a next time, because we are not sure that there will be a next time, Tefo argued. May the humble cry of my client be heard before it's too late. Momella said he could not interfere with prison proceedings and policies, even when he sympathized with Ncube. It will be giving false hope, even to accused number 3, that I will have something to say about the prison conditions, which is not the case, Momella said. I will not let this matter unfold further before me because I will not have anything to say. At that point, Tefo announced, "It is an opportune moment for me to inform this court that I am withdrawing before packing his bags and leaving." Momella accepted Tefo's withdrawal, and ordered that the trial return on 2 August for the first 4 accused to indicate, with the help of the state, whether they had secured new representation, and consulted adequately. All accused are remanded in custody until 2 August. Again's Ansi businesswoman Shaun Kais and her son Andom Pising were partying it up this past weekend at Ntasafiso Garden in Kwagafontein, Mpumalanga. She was joined by socialite Kefil Mabit and others to enjoy a homecoming hosted by Bafana.